Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make almond milk powder. So this is basically an instant mix that can be used to make almond milk. I hope you all will enjoy it, and let's get into the video. And also the recipe with instructions is given in the description box down below. To start off, fill a saucepan with water and heat it until it boils. Once the water starts boiling, add in half a cup of almonds and turn off the heat. Let the almonds sit in the water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the excess water and transfer the almonds to a container containing cold water. Now you can start peeling the skin of the almonds. Since we soaked the almonds in hot water, it would be easier to remove their skin. Let the almonds dry for about 1 to 3 hours. Firstly, I spreaded the almonds on a kitchen towel and patted them to remove any excess water. Then I spreaded the almonds on a kitchen towel again and let them air dry for about 3 hours. Once they have become dried, you can dry roast the almonds in a pan until the top and bottom of the almonds get brownish in color. Transfer the almonds to a plate and let them cool down. In the same pan, dry roast cardamom for a few minutes. Now cardamom is optional, it is just for the flavor and you can definitely skip it if you want to. Once they have cooled down, in a mixer jar add 3/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of turmeric and the cardamom that we roasted earlier. Blend them to a fine powder. In the same jar, add in almonds and pulse them a few times. Do not pulse it too much because the almonds can release oil and that's not what we want. And that's it, we have made the almond milk powder. Store the almond milk powder in an airtight container, and I prefer you guys to consume it within 1 month of making it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye!